Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I have a really cute little box to share with you today. And this holds a Ferrero Rocher. You could also put in a Lindor chocolate as well. You can also throw in a few Hershey nuggets. Super cute. So I'm going to show you how we do today's project. For the base of the box, I have a piece of melon mumbo, and this is cut at 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. I have my envelope punch board, and we are going to line it up at 1 1/2. We're going to punch and score. We're going to move it down to 3 3/4. We're going to punch and score, and we're going to turn this around and repeat it on all the sides. So 1 1/2, punch and score, and 3 3/4, punch and score. So after you finish doing all of the, the punching and the scoring, you're going to pick which side you want to use, and you're going to put it in your envelope punch board and just round one of the corners. You're going to pop that back in so you don't lose it. So the corner that you rounded, you're now going to cut up till you get to that score mark over there. So I have my paper snips, and I'm just going to cut up. And you're going to do it on the other side as well. You're then going to take your bone folder and you are going to fold and burnish all your score lines. So after you've folded and burnished, you're going to take the piece that has the rounded corner and you're going to fold it under. You're going to bring in your paper trimmer and you are going to line this score mark up at the 2-inch line, and you are going to cut those pieces away. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. All these measurements will be over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website. So what you're going to do now is, for the sake of the video, I'm going to use glue dots. You know what? Let me use my multi-purpose glue. I love this stuff. And you are going to, this is your rounded edge. You're going to put glue on there and just hold it in place. Going to add a little bit of glue here. Now the best bet would be to close the little box just so you can keep that box shape. Like so. And you're going to add some glue. Just want to hold it in place. like so. The designer series paper is cut at 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch, and it's from the Painted with Love specialty designer series paper, and you are going to attach all these squares to your little box. Just shut my box. So you're going to attach all these little squares onto your box. You need 5 of these little squares. Yeah, I should have. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, oh man, I glued my box. Oh my goodness, I glued my box shut. So you don't want to do what I just did. I glued my box shut. Not the smartest move I've done, but I've done worse. I have the 1/2 inch circle punch. I'm going to put that in here like this. And I'm going to punch out a notch. That way that's going to be the part where we put our finger in and open the box. And then you are going to add your Ferrero Rocher. Super cute, you guys. So I hope you'll give this project a try. Don't do what I do. Don't glue the box. That's not what you're supposed to do. But I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I hope you all have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Be safe. Take care.